Welcome to Casa Dani, located in Old Town Puerto Vallarta, near the famous Sí Señor and Café des Artistes restaurants, a rare opportunity for investors. The ground level unit features an ample living space with the 2 bedrooms. Main 1 with its own private terrace that provides natural light and fresh air. Units 2 and 3 shares the same floor at level 2. These are 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom units each. The zone where Casa Dani is located is a promise of a profitable rental business in an authentic downtown living in Puerto Vallarta. The 4th unit of the building is situated on the 3rd level. This unit shares its 2 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms with a spacious living room and a private terrace. This 4-unit building offers a charming real estate gem with a proven rental history. It features 4 units including 2 cozy 1-bedroom and 2 spacious 2-bedroom options along the 3 floors and a rooftop terrace. Fully furnished and equipped, this property is ready to start generating income to its new owner.
If you love downtown living, the amazing ocean views, Casa Dani is the perfect property for you.
Captivating views of the bay, town, and lush vegetation from the windows and balcony of the upper units and the rooftop terrace.
Contact us to book a visit.